how do we measure student learning in that case? There are various traditional methods, the paper and pen method or psychometric test or something. But now we have the data and we have the tools to measure the teaching learning. The most popular ones are the dashboards. Even if you go to the website of WHO, World Health Organization, their dashboard is very beautiful. Means and it is in real time. Similarly, you see the dashboard of stock markets. You go to airport and you see their dashboard, all the status of the flights. It is in real time. It keeps on changing. You have your mobile app for railways. It tells you in real time which rail is where. You just need to put the train number into it and it can show you all these things. These things, they have made our interpretation, processing of data very easy. So we have new ways of having analyzed the student performance and student activity. Because how it is done? It is done through certain sort of data repositories. And the data repository means information which has been captured from the students' admission forms, students' assignments, students' examination papers, from there. All on that data repository, then we process certain analytic categories. The academic analytics, which is mostly for administration, and the learning analytics, which is basically for the faculty members to understand that how the learners, they are faring in their course. Now, how to use them? There are various learning tools which we can use. Like Python, it is one of the, just 2 weeks ago, we had a session, if it was a free session, Dr. doing under the guidance of Professor M.M. Pant. Every month we have certain free sessions for anyone is welcome to join us. There is no fee for that. So we had a session, very interesting session on Python, and many students joined. They wanted to know if they learn Python, what will be the future, how it will help them, and like that. So you need to have certain knowledge of this. R is language, Weka, we have Mongo database, Tableau is there, SQL structured query language, these things they allow, and even simple Microsoft Excel. How to use Microsoft Excel in a way. You can do a lot of things, wonderful things. It is very powerful tool for there. Then you have certain free things with you. I don't know if you have tried it or not. This is one of the good tools available to you as the Google Analytics. You can add it to your web page, you can add it to your business, and it gives a lot of analytics to process. And Google has many products which uses machine learning. You can see all these things, all including your Google Drive, including your Chrome browser or Google Documents or Gmail, those many things. Yes, the machine learning in the background it runs, including Google Maps or YouTube. Because of the analytics it can generate for you. And I don't know if you have tried any time or not. Just after this session, you go and just type in your browser Google Data Studio. The kind of data it can give you about your things, wonderful. It's analytics, it's dashboard, it's visualizations. They give you many things on how those can be used there. And you can very well integrate it in with your applications. The APIs, and you integrate. API stands for application package interface. To connect applications, you need certain sort of, if you want to join, say, to iron pieces, you need certain welding source to that. It is something, API acts like that to glue them together, to stitch them together for there. So Google Data Studio helps you to visualize your data, and it is a free tool. You can create charts, interactive charts, and add those things to it. and you can access it. This is my page, for my account, and it gives me lot of things. There are certain templates which are pre-built into it. I can select from there, or I can start with blank report and can tell the software what I want to analyze for my own thing. And it can tell you about the traffic, how much people are coming, going on your website, how long they are stayed. You know, there is an interesting thing nowadays going on, if you must have noted, about the famous Republic television thingy into it, that about the TRP, that everybody says that our channel is the best in India, this, that. Aaj Tak will say we are number one, Republic Bharat will say we are number one. You know, how that is measured. In throughout the nation, they have 44,000 an instrument which is attached to the set-top box. Now they try to measure that how many people are watching a particular channel and for how long. And on the basis of that, that TRP is calculated. That shows the engagement level. Now here, the if suppose 10,000 people, they watched a particular channel for 10 seconds, it is multiplied by that, and that we get the figure. But to calculate the TRP, it is not the number of people they are watching it. It is how long you are watching a particular channel. And that's what happened in case of Mumbai, where they found that the Republic Bharat channel, and they have their own English channel also. One family was caught that this channel was in English, but the family didn't know English. They can't speak English. So the police asked them that, what are you doing it? You don't understand English, you can't understand English, you don't speak English, but you are watching 24 hours this channel. That device captures it, and that it shows that the TRP is increased. Now, what is the significance of TRP? TRP brings the business. You know, all these advertisements, all these film heroes and heroines, they are selling you hair oil, toothbrush, toothpaste, everything. This brings revenue to the television channels. That's why everybody tries to say that, okay, we are the best. All the newspapers will say we are the #1 newspaper of India, because they want you to keep engaged into it. So these things, they tell you about loyalty. Customers you are able to hold for what duration, something like that. It goes with them. And these tools, they are freely available also.